Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of disabling the memories notifications in Facebook. If you're looking to take a break from nostalgic reminders, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't already done so, go to the Play Store on your smartphone and type Facebook into the search bar. Look for the white F logo with a white background. Tap on it, and then tap on Install to download and install the Facebook app. Step 2. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign in to your Facebook account. If you don't have an account, you can quickly create one by following the prompts. Step 3. After signing in, tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner of the app. This will open the menu where you can access various options and settings. Step 4. Scroll down the menu and locate Memories, represented by a clock icon. Tap on it to enter the Memories section. Step 5. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll find a gear icon. Tap on it to access the Memories settings. Step 6. Within the Memories settings, you'll see different options related to notifications and preferences. Look for the Memories Notifications setting. Step 7. Tap on the Memories Notification setting, and you'll be presented with different notification options. To disable the Memories notifications completely, choose the option None. Congratulations! You have successfully disabled the Memories notifications in Facebook. Now you won't receive any reminders or notifications related to past memories. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a more personalized Facebook experience without Memories notifications.